There are very simple steps to fix slow boot up problem in Windows 10. Go to Start, click on Settings. Now click on Power and Sleep. Now click on Additional Power Settings. Now click on Choose what power buttons do. Click here to change settings. Uncheck this option. Click on Save Changes and close all windows. Again go to Start, type PowerShell, right click here and run as administrator. Type this command power cfg/hibernate on and hit enter. Now close it. Then take cursor to the start icon, right click on it and then select device manager. Expand display adapter, then right click on this adapter and click on update driver. Select this option, then select this one. Now select this model, then click on next. Wait for some time, then close all windows. In the last step, go to Start, type turn Windows features on or off. Now click here to open it. Now uncheck Windows Subsystem for Linux option. Then click on OK. At the end, just click Restart. That's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.